Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. Today we're going to be making wreaths with flip-flops to put on our front porch. Let's get going. Debbie's Mindless Happy Place, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. My name is Debbie and this is my Mindless Happy Place. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoyed the content. Also, leave me a comment and tell me which one of these flip-flop wreaths are your favorite. So at the end of the video, I will tell you which one was my favorite. The first one I'm going to be doing with one flip-flop that says Days by the Sea and Catch Me by the Sea. So that's going to be the first one we're going to do. On the bottom, let's see, I got to think about how this is going to go so it's not upside down. On the bottom of this one, we're going to put these right here that says Tropical Party. So we're going to put that right down here. And this is how it's going to go, like that, with the flip-flops pointing up. So we're going to be hot gluing the flip-flops together and then the sign on the bottom. We're also going to be using these little headbands that I got from the Dollar Tree. And there's 5 flowers on these headbands, and we're going to be cutting them apart and using the flowers individually. And then we're just going to simply use a rope on the back, hot glue it down the back to make a top. So let's get started. Take the first 2 flip-flops and hot glue them together. So hot glue on the bottom and the top. And of course, I'm always messy with my hot glue. Hold them for a minute, let them get glued really good. Now we're going to take our sign and we're going to do it slanted across the bottom. So it kind of goes at an angle because there's words on this one but not on that one. So that's how we're going to do it. Put some hot glue down here so it will stick. Oh, that looks so cute. Hold it for a second so it gets on place. Then I have 2 flowers, 2 red flowers, and I'm gonna put them right here in the middle at the top. Hot glue them on. Hold them for a minute. Flip it all over. Then on the back, we're going to put simple rope down. Hot glue it all the way down most of the back so that it has a good surface to hold it on. Because I don't want it coming off. We're going to put this on our porch. It might get windy. And so we'll see how they last on the front porch. But I think it will be super cute for summer. And there you have it. So I think that is just adorable, and I'll show you when I get it on the front porch. All right, the second wreath is going to be with 7 flip-flops. I have this one. It says Summer State of Mind. Catch Me by the Sea again. Seize the Day again. Pineapples. Watermelons. I think some sort of plums, and be positive. So I'm going to do 5 on the top row and 2 on the bottom row. And I'm simply going to again attach the flip-flops together. I am a very messy hot glue person, and I am trying to get them to just like all stick together right now. So we're just waiting for the hot glue to kind of dry. Then, randomly, I'm going to put 4 flowers around. Put the glasses on there. There you go. It looks awful cute. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put the rope on the back. Give it more time to dry. Do the rope like I did the last time. So, now that it's dried, that's what it looks like. So this is my 3rd and final wreath with flip-flops. I got 5 flip-flops. I have a peach kind of fruit one. I have a B positive one. I have a pineapple one. I have a summer state of mind one, and I have a watermelon one. And these are going to go up and down. And it's going to be pretty simple because I'm just going to turn the flip-flops over and put them opposite of each other and put a string down. I think I am going to glue them together first though. I am going to glue them together first. So I'm going to put some glue on each one. Now that I have them all together, I'm just going to simply put glue down the whole back. And put a rope there to tie it together. Turn it over. I got, again, 4 flowers and some zoom glasses to kind of jazz them up a little bit. I'm going to put the flowers on. That's how that one turned out. I really like that one. So I was going to say that this one was my favorite. But I also like this one. So they're neck and neck. Those two are my favorite. And then there is always this one. It's a little bit more complicated. I really love how all these turned out for my front porch. It makes everything look like you're just ready for summer. And with that being said, I will see you on the next video.